AI image generation has completely changed what's possible for creators, marketers, designers, and entrepreneurs. But here's the thing most people don't realize. You don't have to pay for it. There are genuinely powerful free AI image generators available right now that produce stunning results. And today, I'm breaking down the best ones, what each one is good at, their limitations, and exactly how to use them to get the best results. No credit card needed. The AI image generation space has exploded in the last couple of years. What used to require an expensive subscription and technical knowledge is now accessible through free web tools that anyone can use. The quality has improved dramatically. We're well past the six-fingered hands and melting faces era. The current generation of free tools can produce images that are genuinely impressive and usable for real projects. You can use these for social media content, YouTube thumbnails, blog graphics, marketing materials, product mockups, logo concepts, and creative projects. The limiting factor is no longer cost, it's knowing which tool to use and how to prompt it effectively. Let me break down the best free options available right now. Adobe Firefly is one of the most underrated free AI image generators, and it has one major advantage over everything else on this list. It was trained entirely on licensed Adobe stock images and public domain content. That means the images it generates are cleared for commercial use. The free tier gives you a generous amount of monthly credits, enough to generate a solid number of images for personal or business use. The quality is excellent. It's especially strong at photorealistic scenes, product photography, and text integration, which is something many AI generators struggle with. Firefly is integrated directly into Adobe Express, which is also free, so you can generate an image and immediately bring it into a design workflow without switching apps. For marketers and content creators who need images they can legally use in commercial projects, Firefly is the safest free option. The interface is extremely clean and beginner-friendly. You type a prompt, pick your aspect ratio and style, and generate. No command line, no local installation, no technical setup. Microsoft made a smart move by integrating DALL-E 3 into its free Bing image creator and Microsoft Designer tools. DALL-E 3 is OpenAI's image model, the same engine inside the paid version of ChatGPT. You get access to it for free through Microsoft. Bing Image Creator gives you a set of boosts each week that generate images faster and slower, unlimited generations after that. The quality is genuinely DALL-E 3 quality, which is excellent. It handles complex compositions, artistic styles, and conceptual prompts very well. Microsoft Designer wraps it in a full design tool where you can generate images and immediately use them in social media templates, presentations, and marketing materials. It's essentially a free Canva alternative with AI image generation built in. For most everyday content creation needs, social media graphics, blog headers, presentation images, Bing Image Creator is hard to beat for free tools. Stable Diffusion is an open source model, which means it powers a huge number of free tools. The original model and its variants are available for free through several web interfaces. Dream Studio, the official Stable Diffusion web app, gives you free credits when you sign up, enough to generate quite a few images and get a feel for the model. Stable Diffusion is particularly strong for artistic and painterly styles, concept art, and highly stylized imagery. Playground AI offers a free tier with up to 500 image generations per day, which is an incredibly generous free allowance. The quality is excellent, and it supports multiple models, including Stable Diffusion variants. It's one of the best options if you need to generate large volumes of images. The trade-off with Stable Diffusion-based tools is the learning curve. The prompts work differently from DALL-E. They tend to respond better to descriptive keywords rather than full sentences. There's more to learn, but also more control once you understand the system. One area where many AI image generators historically struggled was placing text inside images accurately. Signs, t-shirts, logos with readable text, greeting cards. Getting legible text in an AI-generated image was notoriously difficult. Ideogram was built specifically to solve this problem. It's consistently excellent at generating images with clean, readable text integrated naturally. The free tier gives you a daily allowance of generations that's enough for real creative work. If you're designing anything that needs text visible in the image, promotional graphics, concept designs for merchandise, social media quote graphics. Ideogram is the tool to reach for. The overall image quality is also strong, not just the text handling. If you're already using Canva, and many content creators are, its built-in AI image generator is worth knowing about. The free tier of Canva includes a limited number of AI image generations, and they're integrated directly into your design workflow. You click to add an image, choose AI generation, type your prompt, and the image appears ready to be placed in your design. No switching between tools, no importing, no resizing. It's seamlessly integrated. The image quality is solid for design purposes, not quite at the level of Midjourney or DALL-E 3 for standalone art, but very effective for background elements, graphic accents, and design components. For non-designers who just want AI images as part of a design workflow, Canva makes it frictionless. Both Meta and Google have integrated free image generation into their AI assistants. Meta AI, available inside WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook, will generate images from prompts in conversation. It uses Meta's Llama-based Imagen model, and the quality has improved significantly. Google Gemini's image generation is accessible through the free Gemini interface. It's built on Google's Imagen model and is particularly strong at photorealistic rendering and accurate depiction of real-world scenes. Both of these are excellent for casual use and quick image needs. The limitation is less customization. You're working inside a conversational interface rather than a dedicated image tool. But for everyday quick generation needs, having these inside tools you're already using is extremely convenient. No matter which tool you use, the quality of your prompts determines the quality of your results. Let me give you the prompting principles that work across all these tools. Be specific rather than vague. A person walking in a city will produce generic results. A young woman in a yellow raincoat walking through a rainy street in Tokyo at night, reflections on wet pavement, soft bokeh background, cinematic style, will produce something specific and visually interesting. Specify style and medium. Saying photorealistic, oil painting style, watercolor, 3D render, cinematic, or anime style dramatically changes the output. Be explicit about the visual style you want. Include lighting details. Lighting is one of the biggest factors in whether an image looks professional. Soft natural light, golden hour sunlight, dramatic studio lighting, overcast diffused light, these details matter. Mention the composition. Close-up portrait, wide-shot landscape, bird's-eye view, symmetrical composition. Telling the AI how you want the scene framed improves results. Describe what you don't want. Many tools support negative prompts. You can tell the AI what to exclude. No text, no watermarks, no blurry faces helps prevent common issues. Iterate, don't give up after one try. Generate several variations, pick the best one, refine the prompt based on what you got, and generate again. AI image generation is an iterative process. Here's the simple guide based on your use case. For commercial use where you need legal safety, Adobe Firefly. It's trained on licensed content, the commercial use is clear, and the quality is excellent. For everyday content creation and social media, Bing Image Creator, DALL-E 3 quality for free, or Playground AI if you need high volume. For text and images, Ideogram, hands down. For artistic and highly stylized images, Stable Diffusion-based tools like Dream Studio or Playground AI. For integrated design workflow, Canva if you're already in Canva. For quick conversational generation, Meta AI or Google Gemini. The good news is you don't have to choose one. All of these are free. Bookmark them all, experiment with each, and you'll naturally develop a sense for which one gets you to your desired result fastest for different types of prompts. AI image generation has become one of the most powerful free tools available to creators and marketers. The barrier is basically zero, just time and a willingness to experiment. The people taking advantage of these tools are producing better visual content faster than everyone who isn't. Subscribe to Node Pulse for more breakdowns of the best free and affordable AI tools. New videos every week. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.